So next, we're going to look at a method called Borda Count. So imagine we have a group of mathematicians who are going to get together for a conference, and they're coming from Seattle, Tacoma, Puyallup, and Olympia, and they want to choose a location. And so they go ahead and vote, and here's their preferences in a schedule. So notice that if we were to go with plurality method here, the winner would be Seattle with a majority, right? Seattle has a majority of first place votes out of the 100 votes that we have here. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and go with this Borda Count method. So the idea is we're going to assign points. There's 1 point given for last place, 2 points for second to last place, and so on up. So 3 points and 4 points. And this will change depending upon how many choices there are. So for example, in these 51 votes, there are 51 people who, 51 of these votes are going to get 4 points each. And so that's going to be 204 points for Seattle as an option. So Seattle's going to get 51 votes, each earning them 4 points. Meanwhile, Tacoma is going to earn 51 votes, each earning them 3 points, and so that's 153. Olympia now is going to earn 51 votes, 2 points each, that's 102 points, and Puyallup, I'm kidding, Puyallup, is going to earn 1 point each, is 51. So that's the number of points earned from these 51 voters. Now for these 25 voters, we're now going to add in some additional points. So Seattle here is going to earn 1 point each, because remember this is last place, so 1 point from each of those 25 votes. Then Tacoma is going to get 4 points for each of those 25 votes. Olympia is going to earn 2 points from each of those 25 votes, and Puyallup is going to earn 3 points from each of those 25 votes. And then on to the next group. So Seattle is going to earn, so we got 10 voters here. So we have 10 voters. Each is giving 1 point to Seattle. They are giving 3 points to Tacoma, they're giving 2 points to Olympia, and they're giving 4 points to Puyallup. And then finally, we have these 14 voters who are giving 1 point to Seattle, they're giving 3 points to Tacoma, and they're giving, let's see, 4 points to Olympia, and they're giving 2 points to Puyallup. So now we can go ahead and add those up, and we end up with Seattle earning 253 points, Tacoma earns 325 points, Olympia earns 228 points, and Puyallup earns 194 points. And so the winner under this election is the choice with the highest number of points, and so the winner is Tacoma. And you should immediately notice an issue here, in that the choice that had the majority of first place votes didn't win. And so this method doesn't always, but it can violate what's called the majority criterion. The majority criterion says if a choice has more than 50% of the first choice votes, it seems fair that they should win. In this case, that didn't happen. Now, what's really happening with Borda Count is that it tends to favor sort of a good compromise option. So even though the 51 people probably coming from Seattle really want it to be in Seattle, it turns out that Tacoma is a better compromise since no one else really wants to go to Seattle except for those people.